Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So today's tutorial, we're going to be talking about how to automatically hide the taskbar in Windows 11. I personally don't like this feature, but many people do, so let's get started. So this is very quick and easy to do in Windows 11. So what we're going to do is right-click on the taskbar and go to Taskbar Settings. When the taskbar settings pop up, we're going to go to Taskbar Behaviors. And this is where you can edit a lot of the taskbar settings. And the one right here that's unchecked is called Automatically Hide the Taskbar. When you do that, it will disappear and it will pop up when you hover over the taskbar, like so. So that's pretty much it. Nice quick tutorial. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next episode.